Alright guys, time to renew my driver's license. Okay, let's go! Okay guys, una, kuha muna ako ng requirement sa Philippine Embassy. Kasi yan ang requirement daw ng transportation office dito sa Egypt. Okay? Alright guys, let's go! Okay guys, tapos na tayo sa Philippine Embassy requirements. Pupunta na tayo sa transportation office. Okay, let's go! Thank you. Thanks God. Tapos na rin ang license ko. Time to go home na. Okay guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching.